Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today is the day after Father's Day, and I had a great time yesterday. Well, the kids showed up. We had mushroom Swiss burgers, regular hamburgers. It was a great day. I got some nice little gifts, one of which today we're going to review. My daughter Steph and her boyfriend Nick, they gave me a new chef's knife, 8-inch chef knife. So we're going to review that today just to see how she cuts. I'm going to unbox it and we'll go from there. Okay, and this is another gift that my daughter Emma gave me, among a few of them, but this is one of them. It's a tease because I don't know, I'm a dog dad. I told her I'd drink from it, so there we go. Okay, so you can see this is a Zelite Infinity 8-inch chef knife. It's an Alpha Royal Japanese series, and the company name is Zelite. So, without further ado, let's get it open. Okay, it comes in a nice box anyway. It's a magnetic thing here, and that's what you got when you open up the box. That's just the picture, folks. That's not the real deal. There's an instruction booklet, I guess, a little manual telling you about knives and how to sharpen them and how to keep them clean. Good. Okay, that's a fancy little box. Huh. That's the shape of the knife right there. And here's the handle. You got all kinds of foam in there. Whoa. So there you have that. That looks pretty cool, huh? All right, it's got a safety guard on the tip. I'm going to wash this up and we're going to slice a few other things. But to tell you, I like the weight of it. We'll just see once we start cutting, we'll see how she goes, huh? All right, so let me wash this off real quick and we'll get to it. And I just thought about this is another gift that my daughter Emma gave me. It's a bunch of scrubbing, I don't know, brushes and all, but this one here is made for, believe it or not, cleaning knives. Nice little gadget, so we'll give it a try. So you can't cut your fingers, I guess. It flops open. All right. Let me give this a try and we'll be right back. Okay, so I just washed off the knife and I tried this. I guess you go in here like that, close down, squeeze, and pull. I had soap on this, but I rinsed it out. I think it would work. I know it would save your finger if you wasn't careful with the sponge. But anyhow, this is our Zelite chef's knife, all cleaned up and ready to go. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to chop up a little bit of parsley and an onion that I need for a dish I'm making later. Okay, so not that I haven't used the knife before, but this is some parsley here. Let me get rid of some of these big sticks. This is the last bit of parsley that I had, so I wanted to get rid of it. I use it today in a dish, so I cut everything away from the big stem, and I still got more stems in here. Look at that. That's a bad. I didn't even see that one before. So we'll just go through this a little bit, take out the heavy stuff because I ain't eating that. But yeah, this is. I had a good time yesterday. We had, of course, we had the beer. But I had a good time. Well, the kids came. We had hamburgers. Like I said, I made a nice little mushroom Swiss burgers. Everybody raved about those. They were good. I'll make one day. I'll make a video and show you guys. It's not hard, but it has a nice flavor. I'll put it that way. Everybody loved them, and you will too. Okay, I think we got enough big clumps out of there. So I just like to try to roll this up a little bit. And then watch your fingers. This is a sharp little puppy here. Look. That was pretty good, huh? It's a little heavier than what I'm used to, but it's got a nicer rocker motion, I think, than my other knife, my other chef's knife. But hey, it's a work in progress. I'm I'm liking it though. It cuts easy. Gently, be careful. I'm going to make a penny of me a chicken thing tonight. So I'm going to use this parsley in there. Okay, let me rinse this off real quick. Let me move this parsley to something else and I'll come right back. Okay, so you see it did a nice little chop on the parsley. And now I got an onion that I'm going to slice up a little bit. I'm just going to slice these into like the half moon, real thin. I'm going to try to get it thin. I think the weight of this is, it just kind of, it glides right through whatever you're cutting. There's no effort whatsoever. I mean, my other knife was good too, but this one I think is a little bit, it's a little heavier, like I said. Watch your fingers, Mr. Dan. Oh yeah, see, nice little half moon shapes. We'll do the next piece and get that out of the way. And I think after that we'll call it a done deal with the demonstration portion of the video. Okay, let's see. I'm just trying to get these thin. I don't want to, I can cut it faster, but I just want to try to get them a little thin. I'm not no Benihana by no means, but I get the job done. Okay, so there you have it. Our 8-inch Zelite knife, 8-inch chef's knife. I think it's going to be fun to work with. I like the weight of it, like the balancing, but it's a sharp little puppy. So there you have it. It's the review of the Zelite chef's knife, the Infinity series. Okay, so but anyway, that's it, guys, for today's video on this. So stay safe, and remember, when you're hungry, come on back and we'll show you another knife cutting just like this. Okay, thank you. Bye.